So the Master Design has two specializations, or two streams. One of the streams focuses on design innovation, the other stream focuses on strategic design. And students can either enroll in one of the two specializations and do the Master of Design in 3 semesters or 1.5 years full-time, or they can do both of the specializations at the same time, enroll into both of those, and complete the program in 2 years or 4 semesters full-time. Now, design innovation really focuses more on the design of products or services that a company or organization might provide. And it looks at how we can use design thinking in order to improve those products and services. So that might involve, for example, focusing on our customers, understanding the customer needs, developing new business models for companies. And we might be working with banks or insurance companies, for example, in this context. Strategic design focuses more internally. It's more looking at the inside of an organization or company and how we can use design thinking in order to improve the way an organization operates. And that often looks at multiple goals, like, for example, how to run an organization that is more economically viable, but also has benefits in terms of social and environmental benefits, for example. And so it looks at using design thinking, design methods in order to understand how we can achieve these aims and how we can negotiate the different requirements for achieving these aims. Now, what type of students are we looking for? So the program is really made for any student that come from any background, no matter whether they've studied engineering or science or economics or business or liberal arts, a liberal arts degree. The program is really made for any students from any background because we actually teach them all the techniques and skills and methods that they need to go through this Master of Design and become leaders in this new industry. So students don't have to be good at sketching. It's not about architectural design. It's really more about a way of thinking. So actually, by coming from a diverse set of backgrounds, students benefit more from doing this program. It gives our students or the graduates an additional skill of how to think like a designer. How to think like a designer in order to achieve design innovation or strategic design. In terms of how we teach our units, we have very much an industry focus. So that also means that students enrolling in a degree would benefit if they have had some experience of working in the industry. And for example, we have a unit that focuses on leadership. So it teaches our students, we look at how students can learn how to use design to become better leaders in the industry. So again, having an industry experience is a bit of a benefit for students. We also have a number of project units where we work with industry partners. So all of our units are very much applied, and we're working with real-world briefs and often organizations behind those real-world briefs that come in, give the brief to the students, and then the students also get to present back the results to those external partners or organizations. And we might be working with banks or insurance companies or not-for-profit companies, organizations. And so that way students really get a great practical experience through the program, and we also expose them to our own industry network here in Sydney and Australia, which will help them to establish a portfolio and to get a job at the end of the degree. So I hope this was a useful introduction to a Master of Design. Again, my name is Martin Tomic. Thank you.